Ruin, look at it. It's really coming down, huh? Do you guys care that it's thundering and lightning out and pouring? No? Anybody? Does anybody care? Anyone panicked? Oh my God, nothing? No? Okay. Certainly is coming down out there. Raindrops keep falling on my head. Doodle-doo-doo-doo. Huh. Wow. What do you think, Boo-Boo? Scary thunderstorm. Are you petrified? Yeah, you look it. Ruin. Oh, Boo-Boo. Excuse me. Ruin. 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 Hey. Psst. Hi. Mr. Fuzzy Butt. Mr. Fuzzy Butt. Mr. Fuzzy Butt. Fuzzy, fuzzy, fuzzy. What do you think, Boo-Boo? He doesn't care. Ooh, that one scared me. What do you think, bro? Is it scary? Are you scared? Of course not. Made Mom jump. I didn't expect it. And your mom is still eating as usual. Because nothing stops that mare from eating. Not even your birth. Aww. Boo boo. This is your dinner and my movie. So it's dinner and a movie. I tell you. Sometimes just hanging out with you guys in the barn is the answer to all life's problems. Huh, Brew? Your problem solved? Yeah. Are your problems solved? It's hard to video you when you get so close. That's in the lap, Bruin. Come on, focus. There we go. My cutie patooties. I love you guys. Good babies. And the boo-boo. I love you, boo-boos. And Bruin. Pokey, 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 pokey. He doesn't care, does he, boo-boo? Boo-boo. Good boy. Mama loves you. Your mama loves you. You care? No. But I do. I love you.